Saratoga Springs man is alive and well today, which really is a miracle. This past weekend, he was struck by lightning as he walked with his wife. He shared his story with us today. Marcus Griffin and his wife Laura were on their regular loop for a walk Sunday, a walk they've done countless times.
I woke up and I was bleeding. I wasn't sure what happened.
Marcus had been hit by lightning.
I didn't see it. We were just walking and then I hear like very loud noises. And when I just turned, my husband, he was in the ground.
The weather was fine when the couple began their walk, but about a half-mile from home, things escalated.
I tried to stand up a few times and my legs just felt like they were very knotted and very painful, and I couldn't put any weight on them.
Marcus and Laura didn't know what happened, but he was on the ground and he couldn't get up. Laura called 911 and a stranger nearby helped to carry Marcus to the road. Their first responders flew him to the hospital, where Marcus learned it was lightning that sent him to the ground.
And I had markings consistent with the lightning, so they said it was a lightning-related injury.
This is a picture of Lichtenberg figures on Marcus's chest, a physical sign of the electrical discharge of the lightning. Marcus has some scrapes, bruises, and a ruptured eardrum, but those will all heal. For the most part, he's fine.
I consider myself very blessed and fortunate considering the circumstances.
I would say very blessed and very fortunate, and they had no idea what was going on until they got to the hospital and those doctors said, it's all lightning.
Wow, that is